Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we are next to a 2024 Sea Ray 21 SPX in Lagoon Blue with a white hull, galvanized dual axle trailer, water sports tower above my head. 21 SPX, very versatile boat. This boat is loaded with the entertainment and the essential package. Up here on the trailer you can see it has a swing away tongue for easy storage. There's some storage in the bow up by the navigation lights. Let's get on board, we'll show you the rest. Okay, we moved up on deck. You can see I'm in the nice comfortable bow area. There's a bow filler cushion, as I mentioned, that easily is removable and stores away. Underneath our feet is the infinity woven carpet. This does unsnap, so you can easily clean it. On the port side helm, there's ample storage in here. There's a lockable glove box up here as well. There's a drain in there. Our seats have flip-up bolsters. There's driver's seat. Will slide forward, backwards. You can also spin it. Up here on the helm, we have our tilt steering wheel, our Fusion sound system. With the entertainment package, this comes with a subwoofer and an additional amplifier, 5-channel amplifier. Plenty of sound. Of course, the SIMRAD screen up here, touch screen. You get your fish finder, your chart plotter, GPS engine data. This boat is powered with a 200 Mercury Outboard in white. With the 200, you get digital throttle, digital shift, and also active trim. That's standard on every Verado. As I move farther back, I mentioned when I was outside the boat, the water sports tower. There is a bimini top that goes here that's easily fold up. This tower will fold down to the windshield if you need to get underneath the low clearance bridge. As I move aft in the boat, on the starboard side, we have a carry-off cooler. Middle of the back seat, we have a built-in cooler and storage throughout the walk-through transom. This boat also has dual batteries with a switch, sEaDek on the swim platform, and ample amount of storage in the back of the boat. Come down to MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Love to show you the rest of it. Thank you.